Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be doing a haul video. So this video today is going to be slightly different to what I've done before. Usually it's just fashion or it's just makeup that I show you, but this video is going to be lots of things that I've bought the past few months that I just love so much, and they're things for my home, things for my room, candles, ornaments, just bits and bobs like that. And to be honest, I've been enjoying spending money on this more so than anything else really. I just feel so happy when I buy these things, and so hopefully this is something that you enjoy. I'll show you a couple of candles that I got just before Christmas time, and I know people may not be into candles now, but when I would post about these candles on Instagram I got so many questions, and the kind of scents I like are a bit, I like smoky scents basically. I like the smell of a log fire, I like quite woody smells, and so I got two candles. This is by Potter's Crouch, the first candle, and it smells of Fireside. That's the name of this particular candle, Fireside, and this one I think is really good. I think this is quite expensive. My mum actually bought this for me for Christmas, or maybe she bought it as a present for me when I came back from travelling, and she was originally looking for this candle because she knows I was obsessed with it, but this was the one that she could find at the time, and I actually think this one is way better. If you like smoky, fiery kind of scents, you will love this candle. It's very strong. It is lasting me a really long time as well. I've been burning this a lot, so I think this is worth the money. Like if it was 15 quid or whatever, I'm not quite sure, but it would definitely be worth it. So that is something I've been enjoying so much recently. And the other one I got, this is Log Fire by Pintal. I don't actually think this is quite as good. So you've got 3 wicks there, so again it lasts a really long time. It also looks really pretty as well, but I think this scent is a better, stronger scent. This is a kind of scent that if I come into my room a few hours later I can still really smell it, whereas with this one not so much. The next thing that I've been buying, I'll show you some things I got from the Astrology shop. If you are familiar with Covent Garden in London, then you may know the Astrology shop, and I visit this shop pretty much every single time I go to London and I'm in the Covent Garden area. This shop has lots of wonderful things. For Christmas, I posted this on Instagram as well, I got this like palmistry hand. I've wanted a hand for a really long time, one that I can have on my bedside or on my dressing table, and I think this is just beautiful. It's really an authentic looking hand, if that makes sense. It's an authentic looking palmistry hand. I didn't really want one that looked too modern. On the back you can like hang it up on the wall, or you could lay it flat down. When you try and sit it up it can wobble a bit, it's not very stable, so I would like it to stand, so I'm going to try and do something so it can stand up. I think I'm gonna have it on my chest of drawers and I'm gonna have it stood up like that. So, but isn't it beautiful? I've wanted one of these for, oh my goodness, years. Years and years and years, so it's lovely and I love that. I also got some crystals as well. I got this crystal Citrine. I love Citrine, orangey, burnt orange colour to it. And I love Citrine. Citrine is really good for manifestation. It is good for making things happen and for self-confidence. I actually, okay, I'm gonna look like a bit of a weirdo now. I actually always carry in my purse, and I got these when I was in Byron Bay, when I was in Australia. I always carry a little mini Citrine and onyx as well. I just carry these 2 little stones in my purse all the time because I love the meanings behind these 2 stones. I felt like they were the 2 that I wanted to have. I was like, I'm going to choose 2 and keep them in my purse so they're with me when I'm going around Australia. Also when I was in Australia, when I was in Melbourne, I met up with a subscriber called Natasha, and she gave me this lovely amethyst crystal, which is again really beautiful. I kind of have these two together on my chest of drawers all the time. I also got, speaking of crystals, let's go into the crystal theme, then I'll show you the rest of the things I got from the Astrology shop. I recently went to Dartmouth on a little mini break, and when we were driving back, me and my boyfriend stopped off in Totnes, and he said to me that he thought I'd really like it there. And when we got there, it was just full of these incredible little antique shops and crystal shops and vintage shops. It was just heaven. And I got this. I don't actually know what this is. I don't know. Can someone please tell me? Really pretty colour, and it's got all these little clear crystals on the outside as well. I think it is so beautiful. And this was only like 2 or 3 quid. This is extremely cheap. I also got this, and you may be thinking this looks like a small little salt lamp, but this is actually, it's made of the same thing, like the Himalayan salt, but it is actually put a little tea light in. However, it is quite low down, so I don't know how I'm going to actually do this, because if it was like up higher, then it would be so much easier to like put like a little tea light in and just light it, but it is super deep down in there, so I don't really know how I'm going to do it. But this again was only like £5 or £6, and they were all quite varied, but I went for this one here because I thought this looked really pretty. It was a nice shape to it. And so I also did buy a salt lamp as well, but that's like plugged in over there. It's a bugger, absolute bugger to unplug it and maneuver all my furniture because it's behind my desk and everything, the wires. So another cute little thing that I got when I was in Totnes was this little amethyst pendant. It didn't come with a chain. I think you could buy chains in the shop, but I thought, oh, I'll have a chain at home. I don't have a chain at home, so I need to buy a chain for this. But the necklace that I'm currently wearing is from Louisa, or Louisa. I thought it was called Louisa, but I think it's Louisa. So there you go. It's that shop where they just sell jewellery, and whenever you go in there, they're playing really, really loud music and it's super bright in there and I get a headache. It's from there. So I got that from there for, I don't know, 7 quid. Back to the rest of the things that I got from the Astrology shop. I got just another incense holder because, oh, this was only £1.99. Isn't that good? Really, really tatsy. I got this, just a basic little incense holder, because the ones I've got are getting really, really dusty now. I mean, some of them I've had for about 6 or 7 years, and so you can imagine how dusty these are. And this is also from the Astrology shop. This was really cheap. This was only a few pounds, and it is this hanging kind of decorative piece. So this is probably something that I'll end up hanging maybe on my curtain rail, like where my window is. But this is what it looks like. Isn't it stunning? So it has like the triple moon symbol, and it's like this really kind of rusty gold look to it. I was imagining this to be about £10–15, but it was actually, yeah, like I said, only about 4 or 5 quid. So I was in love with that, and it's not as heavy as it looks, even though it's quite solid. It's not too heavy, so that was really easy to carry back to Southampton. I thought I'd actually show you a couple of my favourite pieces of jewellery just to finish off. Like I said in my last video, I haven't been buying a lot of clothes recently, but I am getting a few nice bits for my birthday, so I will be showing you those, and I'll probably do like a spring lookbook and things like that as well. So fashion videos will be coming, so don't worry. This necklace I've been wearing to death. I got this again for Christmas, and I got this in Topshop in Oxford Street, and this is, they say it's like vintage 70s. I don't know if that's genuine or not, but it was from, because in Topshop in Oxford Street is a brilliant place to get jewellery. You can get really, really unique pieces in there because they have lots of other brands, not just the usual Topshop stuff. But I got this, this was about, it's probably about £17–18. It has tassels on it. I love tassels. Anything with tassels on, I'm like, hello. So I've been wearing that a lot. I also got this, and the guy at the checkout said he liked it. I was like, yeah, I made a good choice. This again, vintage, apparently 70s. I don't know if that's true or not, but there was only one of this and one of the other ones. So, but this is a cute sun necklace, and I love anything with the sun on, anything with the moon on. It's just an obsession of mine. If anything has the sun or the moon on it, I have to buy it. So I got this, and this is really cute. This is going to be really, really cute with a little summer dress. And the last thing I got were these earrings that I've been wearing so much. These are from ASOS, and I really have a bad feeling that they won't be there anymore, but I'll have a look and see if I can find a link. If not, I'll try and find the name of them. Maybe you can find them somewhere else. But it is these earrings. Aren't they gorgeous? These were only £4 from ASOS. I know. I got them around like Halloween time, but I've worn them in a couple of photos, and again I get asked a lot, where are those earrings from? And these are from ASOS, and so they've got like the black and red little stones in with a little skull on the top. I love these. I love wearing these to work all the time as well, but they just go with everything I wear because I always wear red and black, so they just always go with what I'm wearing. I'm aware it's a bit of a random video, but hope you don't mind that. Also, I did my makeup differently today, so let me know what you think. I kind of went for like some kind of strange cut crease. This top is from Boohoo. I think they actually, even though I got this years ago, I think they still do this. So I always see it when I'm on there and I'm like, I got that for like 4 years ago and they're still selling it, but there you go. And yeah, let me know what you think of my makeup as well. I went for a different kind of look today. I never do this kind of makeup, but I'm really enjoying it. And yeah, thank you everyone so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you'd like to see next, and I will see you again very soon. Bye everyone.